Alright guys, this is Madam Good News aka Madam Peku right from Mercy Divine Properties Limited, and I'm here to let you know that you shouldn't be scared even when you don't have the full payment to get a plot of new Banana Highland from us. Alright, or if you have some money and you want to get like 3, 4, 5 or 10 plots and your money is not complete, that's why we have some good payment plan for you. So within a month you can make your payment. We have 3 months plan, we have 6 months plan, depending on the number of plots that you're getting. We also have 12 months plan. This will enable you to split your payment into smaller parts so that it will not be huge on you. And before you know it, how you pay house rent, if you pay January, before you know December don't reach, another one don't reach. So before you know it, you are done with your payment and your land documents will be given to you, and you'll be glad and happy that you are now a land owner, not just land owner to one plot but several plots of land. So that's why I'm also telling you to make good use of the opportunity to get a discount of 500,000 naira as you key into our current and ongoing promo to get a plot of new Banana Highland for 6.5 million naira instead of 7 million naira per plot. 500k na big money. 500k don't buy how many bags of cement for you to do what? Secure that land and put your fence ozugbo, sharp. All right, Madam Peku Africa is waiting for you, and the number to call is always here, which is 090342965119.